and today in this video I'm going to be making something out of some wood. So I'm going to be making a pencil holder, and so you can put like pens, pencils, colouring pencils, anything in. So I'm going to make it like a little square, so not that big, about that big square, and then I'm going to draw a hole through the middle and just, that'll be it, and glue it together obviously, and then just put all the pencils in I need, I guess, for whenever I need to use them. So it's kind of cool. You can just like have it on your desk with a bunch of pens and pencils you need. And without further ado, let's get started. So I have a bunch of acrylic here, all different colours. And what I'm going to do is cut a little piece out like here. And then I'm going to put that in between the wood. So these are the colours that are going to be used, and it's going to look really cool. So these are the two bits of wood I'm going to use, and I'm going to chop them in half. So this one is sapele, and this one is orangutan, or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to cut this on the lathe instead of the bandsaw because it's a lot easier. So now I have 4 bits of wood, and now we're going to cut the acrylic. Just cut out these circles, as you probably gathered. They're not perfect circles, but we're going to swap that out on the lathe later on. Okay, so before we glue these together, I'm going to show you something really cool. We're going to peel these off. Work out how to put all of this together, then I'm going to glue it and leave it overnight. So maybe something like this. glued all of this together and I've put some clamps on it. And I've added this other blank on just so we don't lose the height of our pot. So now what we're going to do is leave it overnight and come back to it tomorrow. Hopefully this is going to turn out to be a really cool pen pot. And I hope you guys like it. Okay, so it is now fully glued and I've put this plate on it to ready to go on the lathe and make our pot. See, it's getting a bit round now. Just takes a long time to do. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. So it's quite level now because before these things were sticking out a bit, so they're in line with the wood now. And there's a little bit of the black chipped off just there, but we can fix that because the piece is over there. Yeah, and I'm going to try and part it off just around about here because we only want the pot to be this big. This was just to attach it onto here. I've sanded this down to 180 grit. Now I'm going to apply some sanding sealer. This is looking pretty nice. So now I'm going to sand it back down to 400 grit and then I'm going to finish the outside. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some Yorkshire grit. So the outside of this is almost finished, but now we're just going to hollow it out. I think this is looking really nice. I hope you like it. Oh dear, my black ring has come off. Might be able to glue this back on later, but we'll see. So as you can see, as I've drilled through, the rings have come off. So that's probably because I let it get too hot and I used the wrong glue. So I'm going to let the expert come in.
Yep, your rings have fallen off, mate.
Okay, so now a very simple fix to put these all back together. We're going to use some super glue. I've glued them all back on together now. My dad did help me because I felt like I was going to mess it up and it was a little bit tricky. So thanks, Dad. So I'm just going to finish the inside and then part this off. Yorkshire grit and some shellac wax. This should shine it up really nice. So look at this, guys. This looks very, very nice. Very shiny. I'm loving it. Okay, let's get this off. Okay, so there we go. I've just taken this off, and now I'm going to clean it up a bit and then put my stamp on there. Okay guys, so here we go, the finished pencil pot. So as you can see here, it looks very nice and shiny. I finished up the bottom a little bit, put my logo on it, and also I did put some Yorkshire grit on it. I tried to do the best inside I could, but I couldn't really reach all the way down. So yeah, this is very nice and shiny. And what we're going to need is some pencils to put in it.
What are you doing? Give me back my pencils! Hey! My pencils!
Okay, so I now have some pencils. I just stole them from my dad. I think he's working on a pencil project, but sure he wouldn't mind. Okay, so there we go. You can have anything in here, pencils, just anything really, but it's mainly for pencils and pens and stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded one in a while, but I really hope you enjoyed this one today. Thank you to all my recent subscribers that have come over. I really appreciate it. So if you guys could like this video and share it with your friends, that would be really helpful and appreciated. And I'll leave pictures up at the end of this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with another video with Charlie the Maker. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started.